Are you ready to explore the power of Fish Audio for AI voice and audio tools, but not sure how to get started? In this video I'll walk you through the entire process step by step on how to create your Fish Audio account and generate an API key. No confusion, no wasted time. By the end, you'll have everything you need to start building with Fish Audio. First, open your browser and go to Fish Audio. This is the official website of Fish Audio. Here, you'll see an option to either sign up or get started free. Click that button to begin. Next, you'll need to register. You can sign up using your email address and create a password. Alternatively, if available, you can use your Google or GitHub account for faster access. After filling out your details, check your inbox. Fish Audio will send you a confirmation email. Simply click the verification link and your account will be activated. Once your account is verified, log in at Fish Audio Go API. This will take you to your personal dashboard where you can manage your account, settings, projects, and developer tools. Now, let's generate your API key. On the dashboard, look for the menu option labeled API Keys. Click on it, then hit Create New Key or Generate Key. Within seconds, your new API key will appear. Important note: copy your key and store it safely. Treat it like a password. Never share your API key publicly in code snippets or videos, because it can be used by others. Now that you have your key, you can use it to connect to Fish Audio's API. This allows you to integrate advanced audio tools like voice cloning, AI voice generation, or speech processing directly into your applications. The best part: Fish Audio provides detailed documentation at Docs. Fish Audio, where you can find ready-to-use examples in Python, JavaScript, and more. If you ever think your API key has been exposed, don't worry, you can go back to your API keys section and either regenerate or revoke the key. Fish Audio allows you to create multiple keys, which is useful if you want to separate projects or environments. And that's it. You now know exactly how to create a Fish Audio account and generate your API key. With this setup, you're ready to start building powerful voice and audio applications using AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI and tech tutorials, and drop a comment telling me what you plan to build with Fish Audio.